I'm scared I'm not gonna.
As you can see, but not like the ones. My crew back here, Talaho, got Jordan cutting Jackson's here. We're off to Thailand tonight, so just getting our haircuts done. I got cut by Kingston, that's Jordan's brother, but Jackson's come here because he likes the style.
I did here, there.
Yeah, don't worry, son. Do you like your haircut?
Yep.
Yeah. How long you been here, Jordan?
About 2 months. This is a new shop. Just been open before my birthday for 2 so far. So need a haircut, come through.
Come through. I'll get a picture of the sign. Yep. This is GI. This is the old ones. My bakery down there. Bro, just in case people get confused, the name is a place in Iran, and the owner is Iranian, and his village is called Talaho. So don't get it mixed up. Yeah, he's Iranian by now. Come down. Look, Jax, show your haircut. Because look at the back. Ooh, nice. We're in gate 5, waiting for our flight. It's, what's the time there? 7? Halefito e pōnei. Whakatali au ke o hake ki Australia. Si o ki Thailand, si o ki Koh Samui. Whiwhia kau e, me ke nofo taha, tau tamahako, ni taki. Si muka ke tause, e whenaunga ha matolu. Yeah, just waiting, chilling, waiting to go. Hopefully it all goes all good. Hopefully no turbulence. Hopefully no kalene. Saudi Cup. Made it to Thailand.
Hello.
We haven't been here for maybe 5 years.
That's literally what the rules say. No
If you've been here before, you know those long walking escalator things. When you arrive, yeah, we're here. We're here. Shout out to DJ Esther for watching and commenting. And Rock Empowerment. And Moana. Some of the subscribers, they always comment on the vids. Thanks for watching. We're here in Thailand. Hopefully learn the Vangahau Thai. So we're in Suvarnabhumi. That's in Bangkok. It's the main airport of Bangkok. Everyone's excited. Whakaalawhatu mākou, welcome back. In Koh Samui now. Having some fruit before we go get breakfast. Oh, got some of these. Mangosteen. I don't know if you've seen this. Can you open this up for us? Got my helper. This is what it looks like. There we go. It's white. Yum. And then got these things. What's this called then? Man, it's hot. It's hard getting used to the heat here. But we had a big feed yesterday as a welcome from Danielle's dad, and some visitors from Surat. Yeah, Gan, John, and the lawyer. nice and quiet. I got my jumper on, even though it's hot. I don't want the mosquito bites. I've got some big ones. So we've just been eating the mangosteen. Apparently this is the month for mangosteen. You could get like 4 bags for $4 or $5. 4 bags of the stuff. This is the season. Next month, then yeah, they go rotten. They don't taste as good. But this is the month for mangosteen. So if you like this stuff, David, Lakatani, time to come September, end of September. Yeah, this stuff, we don't really get this in New Zealand, and if we do, it's expensive because it's hard to get there. As for this stuff here, I don't even know what this is called, but it's pretty sweet. It's kind of like got like a pomelo. No, not like pomelo. Just trying to think of the fruit like this in New Zealand, but this is nice too. But this is nice. It's called mangosteen, but it doesn't taste anything like a mango. It tastes more like a, I don't know, I think like an orange. Nah, not like an orange. I don't know what it tastes like. But we're in KOB 1 slash cafe.
I'm gonna put it away. Mom can buy that that's really big.
You go every day.
Josie.
By soup.
Whakalofa tumako. We're here at this place called Lotus. It's like the pack and save countdown of Koh Samui. We're just going to show you some fruit that we got here. We got what's this? Dragon fruit. It's a dragon fruit. What's this? Right, mango. These are all mango. 55 baht. Torpedo watermelon. Torpedo watermelon. So, what's this? Salak. I don't even know what some of these fruits are. Passion fruit. Pineapple. Passion fruit. That's passion fruit. Mango. Pomelo. Yes, it's easy getting fruit from here because the aircon's on. When you're out in the market, it's hot. And they weigh your food and you got to get the price, but here it's a lot easier. It's already cut up and ready to eat. So yeah, that's the fruit in Koh Samui. It looks better when you're at the market, but way easier getting your fruit from the supermarket.
Hello. What do you do?
Okay, we've got some drinks. Jackson got the coconut. What's that? That's Thai milk tea.
Me and Andy got
Lime, and I got some fruit, pomelo, mango, and passion fruit. It only cost maybe for all of that. Maybe for the drinks was only $9, and for the fruit,
so you don't freeze it in.
I can't calculate it, but probably like $3. Hey, that's probably what, $3? $4? Hang on. $9 for the fruit. Yeah, I just like eating fruit here now. Not like they're good at making sugary, bready stuff, but
I love passion fruit. Can I have some?
yeah, we're gonna eat. Oh, hang on. Yeah, we're just gonna eat. No, wait till we get back. When we get back, get a spoon. Yeah, $8. $8 just for this fruit. It's good. It's already all pre-cut, chopped up, just ready to eat. That's another thing I don't like about buying fruit at the market. It looks, yeah, the thing is you gotta cut it up. Yeah, I just hate peeling, cutting. I'd rather just eat because I'm on holiday now. Maybe if I'm at home, but here it's all perfectly ready to eat.
I'm allergic to passion fruit.
And Andy's allergic to passion fruit. Canned passion fruit. Yeah, now these guys want to be on camera.
I ate passion fruit and it's that in a can, and that water passion fruit was so dumb, and I got a bunch of water here and it's fresh and I eat that.
No toppings.
Cup.
Soda cup. You just want it in a cup.
Yeah.
No toppings.
Nope. I want in a cup too.
Can I get 3 in a cup? No toppings? Yeah.
Cup.
Yeah. Cup.
3.
Yeah. 3. There's the yeah, we're getting some coconut ice cream. Again, we're all in the aircon area. It's a lot easier in here because yeah, it's hot. With kids, it's hard. Practice my Thai. I should practice my Thai. Okay. So here are the toppings. We got palm, pumpkin,
Banana.
and sweet potato bread.
Banana.
So it's like a healthy style. Sweet potato and banana. That's for me, just for me. Yeah, not for you. Okay. Yeah. You just don't want toppings, eh? No. Meow. Alright, Toro. 60 cow, 60 so that's Oxip. Alright. Cup and cup. There you go. We've got the Hoksip is 60 to Hoksip, but Taurai means how much? So we're getting there, and that was only $1.50. Sawadee Cup. We Danielle's dad just got some kina and oysters, and yep, the kina here, what, small slithers, not like the ones in New Zealand. They're quite thick. The ones here is like thin. The kina and the oysters here, yeah, small as well. So just waiting to see what it looks like. Yeah, didn't know that Thailand had kina, but yeah, should be interesting. Gonna eat it with something chili, spicy.
I'm scared I'm not gonna.
Ooh, that's the kina. So you can see it's like small, bite size. I might have to eat with some bread then. And these are the oysters. As you can see, a bit not like the ones up north. And apparently they get the Kinas just around here. Yeah. Yep. So we've never had Kina here before, and now we're gonna try it. We just ate the passion fruit, the pomelo and the mango. That was good. And now gonna try Kina and oyster. And this guy who had his coconut. Here it is.
It's yum.
Brought it back home. It's much easier doing it here at home than at the restaurant, because at the restaurant it's busy and just a lot of people around. But here it's can enjoy the seafood in front of the sea. If you want me to show you anything, just comment down below and I'll try and find it here in Thailand. Alright, quick here.
So you can walk from the walkway right there, you will see a door right there. So you can walk fast, going up at the villa. So you can use it. Swimming pool. Yes, at the other one, the main swimming pool from the beach, from in front of the beach is currently closed.
Wow, Rock Samui. It's good that we're here because the family just are living right next door, and Danielle's grandma is turning 94 or 93. So yeah, next hotel, Rock Samui. Hopefully get some more food pics in. It's going to be a big feed tomorrow, so I'll get some footage of the local food. Alright, comment down below what you want to see.
Can I record?
No, and these guys are happy.
Hello guys, today we are at the hotel that my granddad did. So sorry that I got a red face, I'm really burning, so let's get started. So this is the door, TV's right there, dad right there, and look, it's a perfect view. This is the best part, actually no it's not. This is the shower, so fancy. Sorry mom. This is the fridge, let's see what's in it. Ooh, I've already drunk that. We even get this. They served us that. Yeah, sister, slay. I don't know what. Oh, we're going stupid karaoke. This is the big bed. This is the bunk bed. I need to say something. Everybody knows that I'm obviously going on the bunk bed, the top, because I always go on it. That's so you. But first, look at this makeup area. That's closet, lights. Okay, now let's do the final touch. So look, we even get these curtains that we can shut and close. Oh, look at this sweet bed. And look, this light, we even get a light. We twist that. Oh shoot, that's bad. Okay, we get this horsey chair. Finally, oh, you can actually climb up there too. So let's go up. Oh wait. First, okay, so look, the gates are closed. Whoa, look at that. We got a show, a desk, and a nice cozy bed. And oh, we got a shelf. So good. Woo. You freaked me out, man. So yeah, and that's where the ladder is, the ladder to go down. But you can go down the stairs. But look, this is the best hotel. The bad news is we're only staying here for 2 days. I want to stay here for like 2 weeks because y'all, slay. Oh my god. I'm gonna record you, mom. I'm gonna see you. They're payback, by the way. Yeah. I think
a pit horse.
Oh, towel.
We have a pit horse.
Triangle. Shoot,
We have a pit horse.
yeah, we even got a pit horse. So sleigh. But look at it's all together.
Its name is Twinkie Toes.
No, it's, we even get.
Oh, we also have a dead monkey. Dead monkey.
Nah, that's not. And you all together.
If you go to the house to get close to him, can we go bring our suitcase?
Bye.
This is at the Rock Hotel still. It's massive. This is another spot. We're just looking around where we're staying. Super hot. This is the Rock Hotel. Where's the pool? There's no pool up there. Should we go have a look at the other pool? We're just gonna go grab something to eat. We just go back to the supermarket, eat again in the aircon, come back, go in the pool. That's pretty much holiday life. Not much shopping. Can't be bothered. Oh, is this what the pool looks like? Look at these guys. We're at the pool now. These two going crazy. We're at the. There's 3 levels.
Backflips in the water.
Backflips.
Yeah, in the water. Look.
Jackson's learned how to do some flips. They're just happy. It's kind of like an infinity pool. You can see it just looks like infinity. And here we are. The ocean's just down there. And the pool's just here. We're gonna go get Ari's togs.